Very good morning, children. In last class, we have discussed about the hearing, how do organisms how the command on hearing, and as well as how some organisms detect their food or detect their enemies with the help of the hearing sense. Right? As blind as bats means that include that with the help of echo. The bats would come to know that their enemies are there and the objects are present surrounding them. As well as in the human beings also, ears play a very important role for the conversation purpose, to know the surrounding sounds also. Depending on the sound waves, they will easily identify the someone is there, some people are there, some sound is going on in the atmosphere, like that. That is all regarding the sense of hearing. Today in this class we are going to discuss about the one more sense organ. Sense organ means the sensible survivals, we can say that. With the help of sense organ, that is smell. So with the help of nose only we smell them. What will help us to take the smell? Yeah, right. With the help of nose we are going to get the smell. Right. So nose will help us to smell. So with the help of nose only we are able to get the smell. And see guys, as we are not in first class only informed that all the sense organs are very important for all the organisms, not only human beings, not only any organisms. But there are some organs, there are some sense organs which is very important for the other organisms. Okay, even one sensible organs are not present in our body, are not present in any human beings, he or she can lead her life. Okay, they can easily lead their life without that one sense organ. But there are some particular organisms, they need that particular sensible organs. So without them, that sense organs, they are not even able to lead their life. Okay, as we discussed in the previous classes that for the bat, hearing is very necessary because it has a very poor eyesight, right? So if don't have the clear ear, means hearing sense is not proper, means it could not identify the surrounding. It could even identify the enemy's appearance. Even it is moving, even it's not able to get their food also. In the cases of birds, if we are taking, means eyesight is very important, right? So as we know, there are airborne organisms, they are airborne animals. So they are always used to stay in the sky only. They are usually flying in the skies only. So it means that if they don't have the good eyesight, means they are not able to catch their food. Right now, so like that, some particular sensible organs are very important for some organisms in their life. So today in this class we are going to discuss about the one more sense that is smell. Okay, with the help of smell, what will help us? Commonly, generally the human beings we will identify the smell. It may be the bad smell, it may be the good smell. If your mother is cooking any good item, good food in our kitchen rooms, you will get the smell of that food. Even if any animal is dead, drainage, that will also identified by our nose. So this is what we are using in the like this. We are using the nose for the smelling purpose, and yeah, that's true that nose is very important for the respiration process also, not only for the smell. There are some organisms, nose play a very important role in their lives to get food, to lead their life, because as we know that food is a very important to lead life. If we want to live a life, means alive is a very important. No? If we are alive, then only we can live in life. So move on to the next one, that is the smell. As we know that dogs have this very good smell, right? So for that reason only dogs are using in the police department. You know that even in the film, even films they will show, no, they are taking the dogs to identify the thieves and culprit. If any murder is happening, if any smuggling or any drugs cases, if any wrong done, means they will take the dogs there to just to identify the thief, just to identify that all those things will happen in the film cinema, no, like that only. Even in the real also, dogs have the very sense of very delicate sense of smell. Okay, they have the very good sense of smell, and specially trained by the police also. As we know that our Mudal dogs are taking in the army, that we have to proud of ourselves that our Mudal dogs are they are carrying in the militaries to they are doing the work for our nation, right? So like that only, there are some particular breed of dogs are there. They were trained. They will get trained to identify the thieves, to identify the smell, to recognize the thieves, and if anything bad is happen, if murder is happen, only by the there are some breeds. That is what bloodhounds. Okay, bloodhound is the breed of dog. Okay. It's not anything, that is the breed of a dog. Bloodhound. It is a breed of a dog which is very good in the sense of smell, and that is only they will catch the thieves only by if any smell is drawing in the air. If there any smell, even a little bit smell, only by the scent of a person. Okay, by scent of a person also they can easily identify the thieves. And they can follow the scent of a person by sniffing the ground. Sniffing the ground means what? If this is the ground means they will identify the if the person's scent is it is mixed with air, no, that will go with the help of that only. Only the small clue, that the scent of a person, if only once it is recognized, no, it will follow and it will catch the thief of that incident and that accident. This is very good for us also, that dogs are playing a very important role in our protecting the nation also. They have a very good sense of smell. By with the help of that only they are able to catch the thieves. And next one is that, and they are even used to track down lost people. See, if see, somewhere you have seen that the people are the police people are giving the clothes of a victim. Okay, right. So like that, by identifying that smell only, the dogs are even easily catch that persons only by the smell of cloth. Okay, by the smell of cloth also dogs are able to get the they will easily identify the lost people also. So like that, and their birds do not have a very good sense of smell and taste also. They don't have, but they have very good vision. Yes, they have a very good eyesight. And elephants, this is very important. The elephants have the very good smell. Okay, the elephants have the very good smell, because even it's a 20 kilometers far away from the jackfruit snow. 20 kilometers, not a small distance, guys. Right? Even from the 20 kilometer, it is a 20 kilometer distance means it is easily find out the jackfruits. Okay, jackfruits, ripening jackfruits. Okay, it should be ripened. Okay. So that type of jackfruit smell, it is elephants can easily recognize the smell of jackfruits, even it is 20 kilometers far from the jackfruit. Right? So next one is that, and even so we are and most of the animals are finding the smell of any smell by the nostrils. Nostrils means the holes which are present in the nose. Okay, with the help of that, we are also finding the smell of anything by the nostrils and human beings. Right? So we are also able to find the help of nostrils, and we used to find the smell of anything. So, and including snakes have a special smell detectors. Smell means snakes have a special, that is Jacobson's, right? Jacobson's organs. We also have this. Okay. We also have this. Means that the Jacobson's organs are present in the upper jaws. Okay, so like it is present in upper jaw. Even human beings also have that. So the snakes also identify the smell with the help of Jacobson's organs. So Jacobson's organs, how they will recognize the smell? How it helps to recognize the smell? Anybody? they smell by, they will leave their tongue outside like this, and the air particles will come out and sit on the tongue. No, they will take that tongue inside, and like this they will do. When the tongue reaches the Jacobson's organs, no, they are able to get the smell of the atmosphere. What's it going and how the smell is. Like that, they will get the smell of the atmosphere. Once again, I will show you how they will do without any explanation. Just look at me. Okay. This much only they will do, and by that only they are able to get the smell of the surroundings. And they smell by sticking their tongue out and collecting the smells up from the air. Then they move their tongue over the Jacobson's organ. They can easily identify what the smell is. Okay, fish can detect the smell all over their body, means whole body. The holes which are present in the body of the fishes, they help them to take the smell of the surroundings, and whole body is helping them to take the smell of the body. So like this guys, they will help, the nose will help in some organs, with the help of nostrils they will get the smell of the surroundings or organisms, and there are some organisms they will take the smell of surroundings by their tongue. Okay, means Jacobson's organs will help them to take the smell, otherwise identify the smell of the surroundings. And as we know that birds don't have that much very good sense of smell, and they have a very good vision, and dogs, the most important, dogs have a very good sense of smell. By that only, with the help of that only, they are able to catch the thieves, even any miscorruption is done, if there any accident, if there any murder, smuggling, like this, all the whatever we say that wrong works have done, no, that will all identify, that will all suddenly recognized by the help of dogs. And bloodhound is a breed of a dog that help even by the scent of a person drawing in the air. So that is also able to, only the scent of, with the help of scent of a person, they are easily identify the culprit, right? So this is what about the sense organ smell. So I hope you enjoy the class guys. Just read the lesson properly, try to find out the answers which are given in the exercise part. So see you in next class. Till there, I hope you will enjoy the class. See you.